The word of the day is
si, si, sipukre, sipukre, si el fla, si el fla.
For more information on how you can learn Cabo Verdeano, visit us on Facebook at Learn Cabo Verdeano or email us at learncaboverdeano@gmail.com.